In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted WhatsApp messages or chats. We will use WhatsApp's built-in cloud backup restore on both Android and iPhone, which is the safest and most reliable way to bring your conversations back. First, open WhatsApp and confirm that a backup exists. Go to Settings, then Chats, then Chat Backup. Here you will see when your last backup was made and whether it includes media. On Android, backups are stored in Google Drive. On iPhone, they're in iCloud. Take a moment to note the date and time of the last backup. This is crucial because WhatsApp can only restore up to that point. If here is no backup listed, there won't be anything to recover using this method. If there is a backup, consider connecting to Wi-Fi before you proceed, especially if media files were included, as restores can use a lot of data. Once you've confirmed the backup, uninstall WhatsApp from your device. Don't worry, this won't delete your cloud backup. Uninstalling simply clears the local app data so you can perform a clean restore. This step is necessary for WhatsApp to offer the restore option when you sign in again. Next, reinstall WhatsApp from the official App Store and open it. Verify your phone number using the same number you used when the backup was created. This must match exactly for the backup to be detected. Also, make sure you are signed into the same Google account on Android or the same app on iPhone, since that's where the backup lives. After verification, WhatsApp will automatically search for a backup in Google Drive or iCloud. When you see the prompt, tap Restore. Keep your device charged and connected to a stable internet connection. Messages usually restore first, followed by photos, videos, and voice notes. The time this takes depends on the size of your backup and your network speed, so be patient and try not to switch apps during the process. When the restore completes, your chats will reappear in the conversation list. You may notice that messages sent or received after the last backup won't be there. That's expected since they weren't captured in the backup snapshot. Give the app a bit more time to finish downloading media in the background, especially if you included videos. That's it. Thanks for watching.